have gotten a head start on these drawers. I have a bunch of spices that filled this one here. I took them out because most of them I'm not going to be replacing. I want to settle on a few that I use on a regular basis. Just because I may refine that later. So now I have another empty drawer, which I guess will become a cat bed, possibly. Unlikely. Why don't you come out of there? Come on, Scoop. Alright, so this is what I cleared out of those drawers. Alright, so now my next job is all these foodstuffs. I'm thinking at this point, the foodstuffs, other than like, the salt, maybe I'll keep 2 of these out, 1 in reserve. I'm thinking I'm going to leave these out because a lot of these I should be using up and getting rid of. And then the second thing I'm going to do, so my next challenge is plates and food, and what I can't take with me stays out here to get used up. In case I decide to go somewhere and I'm not sure the water and I've got to have some, for now I plan on keeping this. So for now, what I will need to do is to go through all of these items using this up, which is plenty of groceries. I'm going to do some videos on some of these things that I'll be combining. This for flavor, I'll add chicken. Maybe I'll add my own vegetable medley to it. I have some mushrooms. I do have one of these already stored up overhead. The salt. Sugar, honestly, I can't even tell you when the last time was I used that. Snack crackers, I've left these out because I'm going to use those up. I do have one in the cupboard. So, obviously I am not in an RV yet. So, all of this could change, of course. I might end up with a little more space, maybe a little less. I hope not less. I think I could actually use a little bit more space because you've seen some things around here that I may not be taking with me. Another thing that I'll be doing a video on at a different point is I have a regular full-size refrigerator that I'll be cordoning off sections of that, and that'll be for another video. So what I'm going to use this is a way to help me adjust to my shopping methods. And that means going through all this first, seeing how long it takes me to go through things up here. I've tried to put things in the front that I use more often. Breadcrumbs I'll explain in another video, but real quick explanation. I use them to absorb the excess liquid when I make tuna or chicken salad for sandwiches. Some moist cat food, the snack crackers. My basic plates here. And, you know, as I'm mentioning this, I'm realizing that I will need additional space because, of course, I have cooking pans and I'll have some kind of device to cook on.